नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम क़ालू या ज़ुल क़रनैन इन्न यअजूज व मअजूज मुफ़्सिदून फ़िल अर्ज़ फहल नजअलु लका ख़रजन अला अन तजअल बैनना व बैनहुम सद्दा. They said, O Zul Qarnain, verily there is the nation who are the mischief makers, so make a barrier between us and the Yajuj and Majuj for the revenue we set for you. Is narrated in the ayat number 94 of the Surah Al-Kahf. In this ayat there is narration about the king Zul Qarnain and the nation Yajuj and Majuj. Zul Qarnain was among the four kings who have kingdom over all the earth from east to west. Two of them were the Muslims, the Sulaiman alayhi salam and the Zul Qarnain, and the two of them were the non-Muslims, the Bukht-i-Nasr and the Namrud. So Zul Qarnain was blessed with all type of the facilities from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to run the kingdom, and he traveled to the east, as is said in the Quran, where the sun rises. Then he traveled to the west where the sun sets. After this he traveled to the north where he met with the nation who said that make a barrier for us. So Zul Qarnain blocked the path between the two mountains for the nation to be saved from the Yajuj and Majuj. So who was the Yajuj and Majuj? Yajuj and Majuj was the generation of the Yafis, the son of the Nuh alayhi salam. What is the era of the Yajuj and Majuj? So first we discuss the Sahih Hadith of the Jami' al-Tirmidhi, Hadith number 2240. In this Hadith we come to know that Dajjal will remain in the earth for 40 days. First day will be like the year, second day will be like the month, third day will be like the week, and the rest of days will be like your days. In the previous lecture we discussed about the Dajjal, that Dajjal will cut the body of the true believer into two pieces and then will walk between the two pieces of the body. After this he will command the body to stand up. The true believer will stand up, but the true believer will say that I don't believe in you, you are the false Messiah, and will address to the people that keep in your mind that Dajjal will not be able to do this again as he behaved with me. Dajjal will like to slaughter him, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will put the copper in the space between the neck. After this Dajjal will throw his body in the fire, but actually he will be thrown in the paradise with the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send the Isa alayhi salam. Isa alayhi salam will descend in the Dimishq on the white minaret. Direction will be the east. So when the Isa alayhi salam will descend, then he will seek the Dajjal. Isa alayhi salam will break the cross, kill the pig, and then will kill the Dajjal in the area of Lut, in the city of the Lut. Lut is the city of the Israel, exactly the same city which was conquered by Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radhiyallahu anhu in 636. After this, it was snatched from the Muslim in the Crusades, and then Israel got this in 1948. After this, so what is the era of the Dajjal? Dajjal will come in the era of the Imam Mahdi and the Isa alayhi salam. After the arrival of the Imam Mahdi, after the 7 years of the arrival of the Imam Mahdi, Dajjal will come. So Imam Mahdi will remain with Isa alayhi salam for 2 years. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will order the Isa alayhi salam to go with your followers on the mountain tour, because I have sent the nation Yajuj and Majuj. Nobody can face them. As is narrated in the 17th para, Hatta idha futiyat Ya'juj wa Ma'juj. Yajuj and Majuj will be released, and they will run down from every height. So Yajuj and Majuj will pass from the Buhaira Tobriya. Is narrated in the Sahih Hadith of the Jami' al-Tirmidhi 2240. So they will drink all the water. First group will drink all the water, then the second group will pass by this lake, and they will say that once there was water, because it will be dry. After this they will travel to the mountain of the Baitul Maqdis, and then they will discuss that we have killed all the people on the earth. So now kill what is on the sky. So they will throw the arrow on the sky, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will return the arrow by marking with the blood. So Isa alayhi salam and his followers, they will pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Isa alayhi salam will pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send the insect on the neck of the Yajuj and Majuj. They will be die at once. After this, the Isa alayhi salam and his followers will come to the land, and they will see that land is filled, earth is filled with the dead bodies of the Yajuj and Majuj, with the fat, with the blood. So they will pray again to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send the birds having neck like the camel, and they will throw, or they will take the dead bodies away from the earth. After this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send the rainfall for the earth to be washed clean like the glass. So earth or the land will be commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grow its greenery, fruit, and the cow milk will be enough for one tribe, because there will be blessing in the milk. So after this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send the wind, and it will take the soul of the true believer, and now the remaining people will be the evil people, and they will have sexual intercourse like the donkeys, as is narrated in the hadith, and the war will come upon them. Qiyamah will become on these people. So what will happen? So we come to know from this hadith that before the day of the judgment, before the signs of the day of the judgment, we must prepare for the day of the judgment. We should pray 5 times a day. We should remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should recite Holy Quran. So may Allah help us to understand the Quran and Sunnah. After viewing this video, share it. It will become sadaqah jariyah for you. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينَ.